Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the player magnet in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. The player magnet is a mythic gear that was added to the first update. And for the appearance, it has blue on the right hand side with a studded texture and a silver tip, and red on the left hand side with the same counterpart of the other half. And you can purchase this item from the gear shop, and it cost 7 million shekels. And I'm going to show you how we can use it. You can go to your inventory and then you can equip this player magnet, and then you just need to click anywhere and it sucks nearby players towards the player for 10 seconds. You like this, and you won't be able to suck a player when they are in the safe zone, for example in their garden. Okay, so you can only use it outside the garden. Okay, let's try it again. All right, I'm going to use it again and let's see. Oh, there's no player here, so maybe we can move. It's a safe zone, so I cannot suck them. Yeah, just like that. And again, I don't think it's worth to buy, but if you want to buy it just for fun, yeah, maybe you could. Okay guys, and that's all about the player magnet in Grow Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.